Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's Tuesday, and we're at the Panattoni Cafe, as Sunday and Monday as well were big holidays here in Poland, big Easter holidays. So happy Easter, and Winston, I hope you had a good Easter and
Yeah,
good Easter
very
weekend.
good. Lots of nice things to eat.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
recovering.
Well, great. Well, let's just jump in, and why don't you give us the headlines for the day?
Okay, Craig. Today we have some news from PBB Deutsche Pfand Briefbank, where they've been lending some money to the logistics industry. Then we go on to the retail industry, and Mitiska has opened, with their partner Square 7, have opened a retail park in Romania. And then back to Poland on the residential side, and Warszawskiej Polska has got a building permit for a new residential project.
Oh, they're doing a lot, huh?
Doing a lot. And finally in Poland, we got a Santander Bank have opened an innovative kind of cafe format in Łódź.
Oh, really? Wow, very nice. Okay. Well, anyway, we're after this week. We're this weekend, and last week, as you may remember, we were filming many of our episodes from Romania, from Bucharest, at the Radisson Hotel, and we had our 18th annual SCE Real Estate Awards, and I must say, probably the best event we've had so far to date. It's amazing listening to these people saying, retail is dead, but of course we had loads of retail nominations and more retailers than we've ever had at our events. So that was good to see them, and 2 awards for retailers this year. So nice to see.
A lot of happy people.
A lot of retailers coming to the SCE Awards now. Also on the office, everyone's saying, "Oh, office market's dead," and this and that. We had, I think, record number of nominations for office and future office projects.
Doesn't look like it's slowing down, does it?
Doesn't look like it's slowing down one bit. So great to see all that. Some new winners also that we hadn't seen for a while on the logistics side as well. So I think we had WDP and Speedwell, winning 2 different prizes
on the logistics side.
On the logistics, yeah. So great to have them. Lots of other winners, which we'll talk about later. But great event, and I'm really looking at we're looking at next year's, which is April 18th. 2024, also at the Radisson. Great. We've already got several companies just already confirming they're sponsoring for next year, just based on how great this year was again. And longest running real estate awards event in the SCE region, nonstop, never missing one year yet. Closing of Lehman and COVID, we did them every year on time as we always promised. So great to see that. We're also working on our next event, which is here in Poland, the Baltic Awards up in Sopot, which is the Tri-City area. May 25th. If you want some information on that, very interesting. We're covering, basically it covers all the countries touching the Baltics. So, of course, Poland, where we're hosting it, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia, the Nordics. Of course, Scandinavia, including Denmark, a bit of northern Germany, covering a lot of the ports, the marinas, a lot of interesting things, which we'll talk about in the upcoming events and the upcoming Coffee with Craig show. So if you're doing anything or interested in anywhere around the Baltics, let us know. And again, that's May 25th, and we, of course, promise great weather that week. So come on in Wednesday night and stay the weekend. So having said that, we'll take a little break, and we'll jump right, Winston, we'll jump right over then to you after the break for the news. Welcome back. Welcome back from the break, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. Winston, I really was intrigued about the news coming up with those headlines.
Oh, yeah. Well, your wait is over, Craig.
Excellent,
We're going
excellent.
to find out. So PPB Deutsche Briefbank has provided a 117 million investment facility loan to a logistics fund, and the fund will utilise these proceeds for refinancing the development of a logistics portfolio in Poland and the Czech Republic. And the portfolio consists of 8 assets along key logistic destinations in the 2 countries, and it comprises of around 245,000 square metres of GLA, and it's got a well diversified tenant mix. And according to Charles Bach, he's the head of international clients at PPB Deutsche Briefbank. He says Poland and the Czech Republic are important markets for PPB, and we are looking forward to continuing work with the logistics sector in CEE and other European markets.
Yeah, that's great. And PBB Deutsche Briefbank, also we know Dieter Kittel pretty well, and great to see that they're doing so much in the region.
Yeah, and on the logistics side, it's I think it's a safer sector to be lending money to at the moment. Maybe.
Probably.
Moving to Romania, and Mitiska, with their local partner Square 7 Properties, has opened a new retail park in southern Romania on the banks of the Danube, and this is well, they've got the Mitiska now one of the largest retail portfolios in Romania. And they've got 25 retail parks on the go with around 134,000 square metres of GLA. And they generate a daily footfall in excess of 150,000 shoppers. And the portfolio has been awarded very good BREEAM certifications. So pretty good product they're delivering down there.
Wow, great. Good to see that they're watching out for our health and environment.
Very important today, Craig. And according to Thomas Sifra, he's the managing director for Romania, Czech Republic and Slovakia for Mitiska. He says the Romanian market remains a significant opportunity for modern, sustainable and conveniently located retail parks due to the lack of supply and long-standing positive socio-economic trends. And coming back to Poland, and Mitiska Polska has received a valid building permit for a first stage of a new residential investment in Warsaw's Zolibor district. And according to Karolina Stokowska, she's the project developer at Mitiska, she says, this is our first investment in Zolibor, so we particularly wanted to emphasise its local character and at the same time its prestigious location. And the start of sales and investment are planned for the end of the second quarter 2023. And staying in Poland, and the first branch of the Santander Bank Polska's Work Cafe format has opened in Odgrodowa 8 office building in Łódź. And this is a new concept that's meeting the current trends of employees on the labour market in today's market, which is offering like a hybrid concept to assist kind of workers going back to work and those not so keen on going back to work. And the Odgrodowa office building is a building by Warszawskiej, and it has 28,000 square meters of office space. It's also well and BREEAM certified. And according to Marzena Zowolinska, she's the director of Santander Bank Polska in the Western region, our clients in Łódź gain a modern, comfortable and friendly place to work and meet, including meeting with our advisors.
Well, it sounds very good. So Work Cafe, is that right?
A work cafe, that's right, yeah.
Well, it looks like cafes are becoming even the place for your banker to be working at. So
yeah, rather than the office, they've made some sort of compromise.
I guess so. Pretend like you're going to the cafe. Well, it sounds very good. Thank you for all of you for watching this week's Coffee with Craig. We've got a lot, like I said, a lot happening. Take a look at our event for the Baltics. Very exciting. We're doing it at the Radisson Hotel up there, which is now considered the best hotel in the Tri-City region. So a lot of fun. And we hope to see you all from not only from Warsaw, but from all of Europe coming and visiting us there. So enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.